Hello everyone, it's Hanny. Today I have a very quick tip for you, and that's binding a little notebook with well, such a thing. I can't, well, I don't know. The other day I made a little notebook for in one of my journals, and from scraps, little scrap papers, and I just did that with my oh, how is that thing? One moment, I will look it up. I looked it up. A stapler, yeah. It's odd. Every time when I'm recording something for you, I can't remember the words, and when I see the video, I think, oh yeah, that was it, or that was it. Not all the time, but well, and when I'm recording again, I forget the words. But that's a stapler. That's a little one, and this one is a bit bigger. But what I want you to show, sometimes, this is a little one, I know, but you can't get far enough to put the staplers in. Or this one is a bit too short too. So I now have a few scraps here and a little piece of painted paper I got from Almoed last year, 2 years ago, in mail. I won a giveaway from her, and this is left. The other, it was bigger, but I used that up, I think. So I will make a little notebook now. I just got some scraps, which I folded, and I will gather them. Little ones, and a bit bigger. Another little one, another little one, that one. Oh, I think that's enough. Just from scraps, bits and pieces, I make a little notebook. Put it in there. Well, it's a bit too wide, so I will cut some off. Well, I will do that afterwards with scissors or with a knife. But the tip is, how do I staple this? This is too short. I know it's a little one, but it's the idea. Maybe this will fit, I'm not sure. No, it's too short too. So I will show you how I do that. I take a few lemon. I won't look it up, you can see what it is. And a bit of foam. What I did, or what I will do, is I just get those things, the staplers, the things, nietjes, which are in the stapler. Yeah. I made a little example from a piece of cardstock, and I just measured the stapler, like so. With a pencil I just draw 2 lines, and in the inside of those 2 lines I draw a few dots. That's the distance of the holes you have to make. I have a pokey tool, and I poked a few holes in it. I already did that, but so, and what I'm doing is I want to make 3 because I have little ones in the middle, little papers. So if I do just 2, well, I'm afraid the middle won't be secured. So I just lay it in the middle. I just zoom a bit in, I hope. Zoom, yeah, and poke a few holes there, like so. Oh, those are big holes. They can be a bit tinier. Well, I have a needle here, like so, and like so. Well, that doesn't poke, so I will get this one again, and one over here. I know 3 staples is a bit too much, but well, I can do 5 if I want to. So 3 holes, and what I'm doing is I'm just with one moment, I'm looking for my, well, this one will do, I hope. Just break, oh, you can't see it. Just breaking one off. This one doesn't work. I want this one. Yeah. Just break 3 off. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you see them? There. I just push them through, like so, and like so, and like so. Turn it around, I hope. Yeah. And then I get my camera stopped, sorry. So the last thing I did you didn't see, so I will do that again. I just unfold the stapler. 1. Well, they were all 3 were that way, and what I did was taking my hammer and just hammer them flat, like so. Well, that's all. And well, you can use this with all sizes of books. Zoom a bit out. Well, that's all. And it's very easy, very simple, and you don't need such a big stapler. So that was my quick tip for today, and I hope well, you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye!